What becomes of a man when the one person who was supposed to love him most walks away? This is not a tale of pity. This is a map through fire. You are not here to be comforted. You are here to be awakened. This is not just another story of pain. It is a lesson carved into the soul of a boy who was left behind, but who rose through the ashes without bitterness, without vengeance, and without dependence. If you watch until the end, you will not walk away with mere inspiration. You will leave this video armed with ancient tools, forged in the wisdom of the Stoics. Tools that will help you forge yourself into a sovereign being, independent of approval, unshaken by abandonment, and carved into a man that no circumstance can break. You will learn 10 Stoic methods to build true self-reliance, methods used by emperors, exiles, and sages to endure the storms of life. Like and subscribe to let your mind and soul be nourished with wisdom. He was 14 when it happened. One morning, she simply did not return. The night before, everything had seemed normal, if normal could describe a life of shouted silences, broken promises, and a mother drifting in and out of chaos like a ghost. But even ghosts leave traces. She left nothing, no note, no goodbye, no reason. For 3 days he waited, eyes glued to the window, meals uneaten, school forgotten, his fingers curled around the edges of hope until even hope grew cold. She never came back. The neighbors whispered, the state stepped in, shelters, temporary homes, strange ceilings above his head. But it was not the roofs that disturbed him. It was the realization that the world owed him nothing, that no one was coming. Most boys his age chased freedom. He inherited it like a sentence. And in that silence, the seeds of something rare began to take root. At first, he was angry. Not loud anger, quiet, the kind that sharpens in solitude. He hated her. Then hated himself for hating her, then hated the world that made her vanish. But over time, anger burned itself out. What remained was not despair, it was something colder, more solid. He stopped waiting, he stopped expecting, he began watching, listening. Not to what people said, but to what they did. He studied strength, he watched those who never asked for help yet always offered it. He memorized resilience in the movements of strangers. And slowly, he began to construct a philosophy, not from books, but from necessity. Years later, that boy had become a man with a fire in his eyes. Not of rage, but of clarity. He no longer needed apologies. He no longer searched for explanations. He had built himself from the ground up, and in doing so, had discovered a power most never taste, the power of self-reliance. And now, so can you. Maybe you have not been abandoned by a parent, but you felt the sting of betrayal. Of being left to face the storm alone, of needing someone and finding no one. This is not a sign of your unworthiness. It is an invitation to build something unshakable. This video does not offer tricks. It offers transformation, rooted in Stoic wisdom, real, raw, and eternal. Here are 10 Stoic principles to become powerful through self-reliance. Number 1, you are your own masterpiece. Epictetus said, know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly. You are not a product of your past. You are the sculptor. The chisel is in your hands. Stop waiting for someone to save you. No one is coming. But that is not tragedy, it is freedom. Action. Write your personal code, a list of 10 virtues you will live by no matter the storm. Honor it like law. Number 2, use pain as a forge. Marcus Aurelius wrote, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Pain is not the enemy, it is the forge. He could have let abandonment destroy him. Instead, he let it shape him, not into stone, but into fire. Action. Transform your wounds into disciplines. Turn rejection into endurance. Use every disappointment to fuel one more rep, one more page, one more sunrise. Number 3, trust only actions. Words are easy. Promises are wind. Trust only action. Gaius Musonius Rufus taught that philosophy is not for words, but for life. To be Stoic is to live truth. He learned early that people lie. Not always from malice, sometimes from weakness. So he learned to read patterns, not apologies. Action. Observe people without judgment. Let their behavior teach you who they are. Trust slowly, but become someone who needs little from others. Number 4, expect nothing. Appreciate everything. Gratitude for a Stoic is not a luxury, it is a weapon. Seneca said, a wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. He stopped asking why she left. He began asking what he could build with what remained. Action. Each night, write down 3 small victories. Gratitude sharpens perception. It teaches you to see opportunity where others see only absence. Number 5, make solitude a weapon. Most fear being alone because they have never sat with themselves in silence. He had no choice. He learned to enjoy it. Carl Jung believed that solitude is the furnace of transformation. In solitude, the ego dissolves and the soul emerges. Action. Take 1 hour a week to walk alone. No music, no phone, just you, your breath, and the sky. You will meet someone there, your true self. If this resonates, this is your moment. Subscribe, like, not for me, for the fire you're building. Join a community of men and women reforging their lives in silence and steel. Each subscription is not a click, it is a step forward. Number 6, control the inner voice. Marcus Aurelius asked, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." When he was alone in shelters, the world screamed, "You are unwanted." But he learned to reply, "I am becoming." Your internal dialogue is the architect of your reality. Action. Replace internal insults with declarations of intent. I am not broken, I am refining. Write them, speak them. Build yourself with words before you build with deeds. Number 7, define yourself by your values, not by your past, not by your pain, not by your parents. He refused to be defined by her absence. He chose his values deliberately: discipline, honor, and silence over noise. Posidonius believed in harmonizing with nature, and our nature, at its best, seeks virtue. Action. Choose 3 values. Every decision must align with them. You will feel clarity. The fog lifts when you walk your own path. Number 8, serve something greater. Self-reliance is not selfishness. It is the foundation from which you can serve others. He began mentoring others, younger boys, lost souls, not from pity, but from understanding. Machiavelli said, "The wise man does at once what the fool does finally." Don't wait to be perfect to serve. Serve while building. Action. Each week, find 1 person to uplift. 1 email, 1 hand, 1 word. The self becomes strongest when it lifts others. Number 9, become immovable in your direction. The storm will come, the betrayal, the setback, the hunger. He walked through each like a lone traveler under endless rain, but he never turned back. Seneca said, "The gem cannot be polished without friction." Your path must become non-negotiable. Action. Set 1 long-term goal. Carve it in stone. No matter how you feel, move toward it each day. Build momentum like an avalanche. Number 10, remember you are mortal. Memento mori. Remember death. Not to fear it, but to live with urgency. She left, he remained, but only for a time. Marcus Aurelius, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Self-reliance begins with this truth. No one is guaranteed tomorrow. Action. Each morning, whisper, "I may die today," and then live in a way that would make the gods proud. So now I ask you, what would you become if no one ever helped you again? Comment below. Speak your answer into the world. And if this video lit a fire in you, do not let it go out. Watch the next lesson. It goes deeper into the Stoic art of becoming indestructible in the face of betrayal. Subscribe, like, share with one who walks in silent struggle. Let them know the storm is not the end, it is the beginning. Walk through fire and emerge as flame.